Hi, welcome back to my channel. Karina here, and if you're new, welcome. I am Karina and I love to paper craft. And today's video, it's a project share, a summer hoop mail that I made for a pen pal. I used the Hello Summer Simple Stories paper collection, and let's take a look at what I am including. So I put some trim and put this rosette with some stickers and some tool trim. I have a tutorial on how I embellish rosettes and use the 3 staple technique, and I will link the video in the description box below. So let's start taking things out. I put together a Memoredex card for her and use again the Hello Summer Simple Stories paper collection, chipboard, stickers, some trim, and some stickles. Give some bling bling. Then I put together these flamingo die cuts and just simple embellish it with a sticker. The next one is more of the die cuts from the paper collection. I included a couple of them and did something very simple on the toppings, chipboard. These are 2 of the rosettes that I put together for her, and I embellished the topper by using circle punch paper cuts, a pineapple die cut, and this other one I use one of the AliExpress baggy topper dies and use some vellum paper, and again the rosette that I embellish it. I got these at Target. These are like foot picks, and I was thinking, what else can I do instead of using a baggy topper? So I decided just to put some crepe paper and then some washi tape from the same collection and glue a chipboard. In this one, I'm including a paper clip from Shimel's collection and some bow bunny buttons, kind of summer theme. And I put together this mini tiny little book with some vellum paper, just something that she can hang on or use it, to embellish other projects. And then I am also including some sticky notes and a little mini notebook, pineapple themed. Put some big chipboard here, and then last I am including a rosette wand. So these are the rosettes that I put together and embellish it, and again I have the video of how I put together this rosette and embellish it in the description box below. So here it is. I didn't put any Hello Summer or anything, but I put these sequins trim that I got at Dollar Tree a couple of months ago, more Dollar Tree items, and the back I have to put my name there, and something is coming out. It was a piece of paper. So, and this is it. So this is my hoop mail for pen pal, and believe it or not, I was able to fit a lot of things here in this hoop mail. I'm gonna put this one here and here. Put the rosette, the one rosette here. Target. Put pics. And the Memoredex card that I am going to put it in a plasticky bag. And this is it. So if you like this video, just don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you like. And see you on my next video. Bye.